The linear take-make-waste business model is devastating our planet, driving climate change, biodiversity loss, and pollution. Transitioning to a circular business model is crucial. It's currently at 7.2%, but it can greatly reduce waste and mitigate the triple planetary crisis. Circular business models extend beyond sales and tap into revenue from recycling end-of-life products. Products with higher recyclability appeal to consumers, driving sales. Firms weigh profits from sales and recycling against the cost of reverse supply chain setup. Eco-aware consumers drive demand for better recyclable products. Circularity is a collaboration between firms and consumers. It requires consumer participation and a shift away from a throwaway culture. Firms should adopt circular models when the profit increase from recyclability outweighs setup costs. It's a win-win for profit and planet. Transitioning to circular business models is imperative for a sustainable future.